Stanislav, what is that magic O-1 visa you're always talking about and that everybody can get it and come to the US pretty quickly? That is O-1 visa. And today, guys, I'm gonna give you the highlights of this visa. What's important, what are the categories, the criteria, the time frame, and who can get it within this one updated video. Also, at the end, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your O-1 case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're discussing O-1 visa and all the important information you need to know about this beautiful opportunity to come to the US. But before I begin, please smash that like button because you love my content, you appreciate my time, and you want me to continue bringing 2 videos a week with the best materials you can possibly find on YouTube. Now, what is O-1 visa? This is a talent visa for professionals in the field. What are the most important features of this visa? Number 1, pretty much anyone can get it. Number 2, there are no limits on how many people can get approval for this visa. Number 3, it's really fast. You can be from 0 to hero for 6 plus 2 months. 6 months working on a case, 2 months for the embassy, so 8 months in general. And number 4, although it does require an employer, in certain cases you may become your own employer. Now, who actually qualifies by category for this visa? O-1 is split in 2 sub-visas, if I may call this that way. O-1A and O-1B. O-1A is for business, science, sport, and education. O-1B is for art, movies, production, and the like. So basically this is art, all right? So there's just a bunch of fancy names. So O-1A and O-1B. What the term extraordinary means? That basically means that you have some recognition in your field among other professionals. That's all what it means. You don't have to be of the heaven, godlike 80th level professional from Andromeda Galaxy. No, you gotta be a little bit above the average with some recognition from the experts. Now, what are the eligibility criteria? O-1A has 8 criteria, O-1B has 6. I'm not gonna waste your time and give you the full layout of all criteria. I just want to give you the main theme of those criteria. You gotta make good money, above the average. You should have worked in some good companies and you played an important role in those companies. You also may have drafted some articles, some publications, or the press and other media have written or shot the videos about you. Maybe you have some prizes, maybe you assess the other professionals, maybe you're a member of professional associations. So there's a bunch of criteria. We need to satisfy at least 3 of them. But I want 4 in the case of O-1B or 5 in the case of O-1A. And if you at this point satisfy at least 2 criteria, that's the green light for the case. Okay, this is a little spoiler alert for those of you who are gonna get a free evaluation. If I see the 2 criteria for the purpose O-1, that's the green light. I know one big common misconception about O-1 visa that actually stops a lot of people from applying for this one. And this main misconception is, Stanislav, this visa is only for geniuses. Guys, I haven't seen one yet, okay? I yet to see one in the future. And when I say genius, I mean really the top person in the field for particular category. Einstein, Tesla, Bell, Ford, you name it. Only those people are really geniuses, okay? For the purpose of O1A or O1B, as I told you before, pretty much anyone can get it. I yet to get the denial of O1 with the lowest number of achievements in the petition, because we didn't get to this bottom at this point, which is great news, because I was getting approvals with 3 and 4 criteria for O1, and I don't think they were the strongest. This is a show, and this is the proof that O1 is pretty much for anyone in the world. And with a good team, with great process, and with additional tools and instruments that my company offers to you, you guys will be getting 99% approval rate for your petitions. That's what has been happening before this day. On 100 of O1 petitions, we get 99 approved. And the one that's not getting approved is getting refiled and also getting approved, okay? So this is just the way it works. And of course, we can give you the contacts of vendors and PR agencies and other companies that will help you to improve your petition, and because we are specializing in those type of things. Just yesterday, I got O1A for a business person from Belarus who started working on his case 6 months ago, and there you go. 6 months later, he has an approval, and also he started working on his EB1A case, because O1 is a great foundation to build up the green card, this beautiful castle that has a lot of good things and waiting for the blue passport in 5 years. So what are the steps to get the O1 visa? And before I tell you that, guys, get that free evaluation for yourself. What is a free evaluation? This is a sorting out mechanism for me and for you to understand if your case has the potential. And potential means that I can work on your petition for 6 months and get it approved with 99% chance. How to get the free evaluation? Go down below this video, find the link that's gonna say free evaluation, click on it, fill out the form, get that to me, submit it through WhatsApp Messenger, and within next 2 days, I'll get back to you with written analysis of your case, saying which criteria is good, which are not, which we can improve, and whether your case has the potential. And if I say it does have the potential, that means that you can proceed to the second step, which is complex immigration planning, where in 2 phases, I will get you the written strategy of filing your case, which then you will be using working with my team at the 3rd step, the complete case filing. You're coming to the US within 8 months is 1, 2, 3. Free evaluation, complex immigration planning, complete case filing. So what are the steps for filing the O1A or O1B visa? Number 1, determine eligibility for particular category of O1 visa. Number 2, make sure you have either an employer or an agent, or if you don't have either or, set up your own company in the US that's gonna play a role of your employer, and we can help you with that as well. Number 3, get your documents together, go over each criteria, describe it, attach it to the case. Number 4, fill out I-129 with O supplement. Then submit your petition to the USCIS and pay the government fee. I recommend expedited processing, which will give you the result within 15 days. And after the approval, set up the interview with the US Embassy in your country or the country you're currently living in. We can help you with all these steps. Of course, it's going to take a little time, but it's all for a good purpose. Get that free evaluation out, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms with unique information on them. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.